Good evening. This is December 19 and this is our update. From here, kita natin ang loob and ang ating mga cabinets for our butika. So, ito naman, sarado ito ngayon. No? So, dito rin. Pwede rin dito. I think this is also closed. Ito open siya. Ayan, ang ating butika. So, tingnan natin sa loob. So, dito, meron tayong smart lock. Ayan. Ayan ang ating loob. So, this is blue-green. Kaya blue-green. Blue for Ateneo and green for Lasal. Ayan. So, dami natin mga cabinets. Dito maglalagay tayong table dyan. That's a table. Okay, tapos, more cabinets over here. Ito, shelves. This is a folding bed. Mababayan dyan. So, ito ang ating restroom. Ayan, so final na yan. Ang ating restroom. Of course, dito, these are charging ports. Lalagay din dito ng pang wireless charging. Yun sa labas. Yan ang mga shelves na ginagawa pa. Ayan, no? So, more shelves. More shelves. Ayan. So, that's our update for December 19. This is our butika. Ayan. So, see you very soon.